Welcome and good day, everyone. Thank you for joining our question with answer session on important topic, plant cell. Let's start. 1. What is a plant cell? Correct answer, a eukaryotic cell that is a fundamental unit of plant tissues and organs. 2. What is the primary function of the cell wall in plant cells? Correct answer, providing structural support and maintaining cell shape. 3. Which organelle in plant cells is responsible for photosynthesis? Correct answer, chloroplasts. 4. What is the function of the central vacuole in plant cells? Correct answer, storing water, nutrients, and waste products while maintaining turgor pressure. 5. Which organelle in plant cells is involved in cellular respiration and energy production? Correct answer, mitochondria. 6. What is the role of the Golgi apparatus in plant cells? Correct answer, modifying, sorting, and packaging proteins and lipids for transport. 7. Which plant cell organelle contains enzymes that help break down cellular waste and cellular recycling? Correct answer, vacuole and lysosomes. 8. What is the function of the cell membrane, plasma membrane, in plant cells? Correct answer, regulating the passage of substances in and out of the cell. 9. Which organelle in plant cells is responsible for protein synthesis? Correct answer, ribosomes. 10. What is the primary function of the nucleus in plant cells? Correct answer, storing the cell's genetic information and controlling cellular activities. 11. Which plant cell organelle is involved in the production and storage of lipids and oils? Correct answer, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, smooth. 12. What is the function of peroxisomes in plant cells? Correct answer, detoxifying harmful substances and breaking down fatty acids. 13. Which plant cell organelle is responsible for synthesizing and storing enzymes involved in digestion? Correct answer, lysosomes. 14. What is the purpose of the cytoplasm in plant cells? Correct answer, it holds organelles in place and facilitates metabolic processes. 15. Which organelle in plant cells contains green pigments and is involved in photosynthesis? Correct answer, chloroplasts. 16. What is the role of the nucleolus in the nucleus of a plant cell? Correct answer, it produces ribosomal RNA, rRNA, and assembles ribosomes. 17. Which plant cell organelle is responsible for storing and releasing energy? Correct answer, mitochondria. 18. What is the primary function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum, rough, in plant cells? Correct answer, synthesizing and modifying proteins. 19. Which organelle in plant cells contains enzymes responsible for breaking down cellular waste and debris? Correct answer, vacuole and lysosomes. 20. What is the function of the cytoskeleton in plant cells? Correct answer, providing structural support and facilitating cell movement. 21. Which plant cell organelle is responsible for synthesizing and storing carbohydrates, including starch? Correct answer, amyloplasts. 22. What is the primary function of the peroxisomes in plant cells? Correct answer, detoxifying harmful substances and breaking down fatty acids. 23. Which organelle in plant cells is involved in the synthesis of cell wall components? Correct answer, Golgi apparatus, Golgi complex. 24. What is the function of the centrioles in plant cells? Correct answer, plant cells do not have centrioles, they are typically found in animal cells. 25. Which plant cell organelle is responsible for synthesizing and storing pigments, such as anthocyanins? Correct answer, chromoplasts. 26. What is the function of the nuclear envelope in a plant cell? Correct answer, separating the nucleus from the cytoplasm and controlling the passage of molecules. 27. Which plant cell organelle is responsible for producing and storing toxic compounds to deter herbivores? Correct answer, vacuole and lysosomes. 28. What is the primary function of the cytosol in plant cells? Correct answer, it is the fluid component of the cytoplasm where metabolic reactions occur. 29. Which organelle in plant cells is involved in the synthesis and modification of lipids and steroids? Correct answer, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, smooth. Thank you. These questions and answers should provide a comprehensive overview of prokaryotic cells and their structures for your query. Be the best.